Question 4. A rock is projected upward from the surface of the moon at time 0.0 seconds with a velocity of 30 meters per second. The acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the moon is 1.62 meters per second square. The time when the rock is ascending and at the height of 180 meters is closest to what? A, 8 seconds, B, 17 seconds, C, 30 seconds, D, 12 seconds, E, 23 seconds. We are given the rock equals 30 meters per second. So the equation we will use is S equals T plus half acceleration times square. So we know that 180 meters equals 30 meters per second times time plus 1/2 times negative 1.62 meters per second times T2.
That's not the one, but it's like
0.81 T squared minus 30 times plus 180 equals 0. So we'll have B equals 30, negative 30, A equals 0.81, and C equals 180. So what we do is T equals negative B plus minus divided by squared B 2 minus 4AC over 2A. So we will have 30 plus square root of 30 squared minus 4 times 0.81 times 180 over 2 times 0.81. Then we'll have T equals 30 plus negative 117 times 8 over 162. We will have T equals 229.513 or T equals 7.53 seconds. The final answer will be T equals 7.535. The final answer is 8.